since I was a little girl, I was super fascinated by people who could speak very well. I don't know what the reason is, but I was always fascinated by those people. Then, 20 years later, I started as a salesperson at Milestone. So I had to present more, I had to sell more. And for that, I needed to communicate better. And that's actually one of the reasons, the biggest reason why I started the communication coachings with Melanie. So it was something that I've always wanted to do, and also something that I needed for my work. I'm still shy when I speak in public, but it's much better. So I feel more confident. And that's also something that I wanted to say, is that Melanie gives you that confidence boost. Every time you go to a session, you get out of the session with so much confidence. And that's, I think, also key to presenting and to communicating, is the confidence aspect. So I do feel better when I speak in public. Still shy, but I'm working on it. I obviously love the course, so Melanie was super enthusiastic during our sessions, which really helped me get out of my comfort zone and really progress in my communication. She also uses great tools, especially AI tools that I used at home and really helped me to work on my communication skills. She also is super available, so when we had our sessions, she will be available after it also and before our session. So if I have a question that pops up, or if I send her an email about our course, she will always answer it, and that's really something that's helped me in my evolution. So yes, absolutely great.